Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. In today's episode, we have a special fall-themed lineup for you. We'll start with a fun DIY pumpkin face mask recipe you can make at home. Then we'll talk about the amazing benefits pumpkin can have for your skin. And to wrap things up, I'll share some extra skincare tips perfect for the fall season. Stay tuned! As we all know, our skin goes through many changes as we age. Fine lines, wrinkles, and a loss of elasticity are just some of the issues we might notice over time. It's natural, but that doesn't mean we can't support and nourish our mature skin to keep it looking its best. That's where this magical fall ingredient, pumpkin, comes in. Pumpkin is not only great for pies and lattes, but also a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. This vibrant ingredient is packed with skin-loving nutrients that can work wonders, especially for mature skin. First up, we have enzymes. Pumpkin enzymes gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and unveiling the fresher, younger skin underneath. Think of it as a natural sloughing away of the old to make way for the new. The next star nutrients are vitamins A and C. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, and vitamin C are powerhouse ingredients for brightening the skin and promoting collagen production. This means more firmness and a glowing complexion, which is exactly what we want as our skin matures. And let's not forget the antioxidants. Pumpkins are rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that can speed up the aging process. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants help protect the skin from damage and ensure it stays healthy and resilient. So there you have it. Pumpkin is truly a multitasking hero for aging skin, offering exfoliation, brightening, firming, and protection all in one. Incorporating pumpkin into your skincare routine can make a noticeable difference, helping your skin look rejuvenated and glowing. So why not give it a try this fall? Now let's switch gears and talk about an easy and effective DIY pumpkin face mask recipe that you can whip up right in your kitchen. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of pure pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt, and if you're feeling a bit adventurous, a pinch of cinnamon for an extra kick. To prepare the mask, simply mix all the ingredients in a bowl until you get a smooth, well-blended mixture. Trust me, the combination of these ingredients feels and smells heavenly. When you're ready to apply, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Gently spread the mixture over your face, making sure to avoid the delicate eye area. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will give the mask enough time to work its magic. But don't get too comfy. You might want to set a timer so you don't forget. After the time is up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in all that goodness. You should notice immediate results. Softer, smoother skin with a lovely, healthy glow. It's like a mini spa treatment without having to leave the house. Give it a try and let your skin soak up all those wonderful nutrients from the pumpkin, honey, and yogurt. Now let's get into some bonus fall skincare tips to help keep your skin looking its best during the cooler months. First up, hydration is key. As the temperature drops, our skin can easily become dry and parched. Drink plenty of water and add herbal teas to your routine to stay hydrated from the inside out. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Next, let's talk about exfoliation. Gentle exfoliation is important year-round, but can be especially beneficial in the fall. Aim to exfoliate your skin twice a week using a gentle scrub or an enzyme-based exfoliant. This helps to remove dead skin cells and allows your skincare products to penetrate more effectively. Another tip is protecting your skin barrier. The fall weather can be harsh on your skin, so it's crucial to use nourishing oils or creams to keep your skin barrier intact. Look for products that contain ingredients like ceramides, fatty acids, and natural oils. These will help to lock in moisture and protect your skin from the elements. Lastly, don't forget about SPF. Just because it's not summer doesn't mean you can skip the sunscreen. Harmful UV rays can still affect your skin in the colder months, so make sure to apply a broad-spectrum SPF daily. Your skin will thank you for it. So, there you have it. Some additional skincare tips perfect for the fall season. Stay hydrated, exfoliate gently, protect your skin barrier, and always use SPF. As we come to a close, I encourage all of you to try out the DIY pumpkin mask and incorporate these skincare tips into your fall routine. Your skin will thank you for the extra love and care. Also, don't forget to grab your free guide, the Herbal Skincare Quick Start Guide. The link is in the show notes. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's always a pleasure to share these insights with you. This has been Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy by Carrie Scharf. Until next time, take care and stay radiant.